Nikon ZFC, the runner-up choice for beginner photographers in 2025. Combining retro charm with modern technology, this camera is designed to captivate both in appearance and functionality. It's lightweight yet solid in your hands, offering a comfortable shooting experience despite lacking a traditional grip. This makes it ideal for use with smaller lenses like the standard 16-50mm zoom. The ZFC shines with its classic dials for speed, exposure, and sensitivity, complemented by control wheels on both the front and back. Unlike some cameras, it features a mode dial that prioritizes user-friendly operation. Additional configurable shortcuts and a quick menu, accessed via the I button, enhances its intuitive interface. Its fully articulated monitor is perfect for capturing creative angles in video recording. Performance-wise, the Nikon ZFC excels in face and motion tracking, delivering sharp images with impressive dynamic range. It's quick to start, allowing you to snap spontaneous street and travel photos with ease. While its continuous burst mode may not suit action-packed scenes, this camera thrives in capturing everyday moments. In terms of low-light performance, the ZFC exceeds expectations. You can push the ISO up to 12,800 with minimal noise, making it ideal for night photography. Though not designed for high-speed sports or action shots, this camera is perfect for those who want to enjoy leisurely photography outings, offering a nostalgic nod to the beauty of classic cameras. Overall, the Nikon ZFC is a delightful companion for capturing life's adventures, blending style with substance for those ready to explore the world of photography.